Good morning and happy Monday. Welcome to assignment number 1, Vocabulary 30, guys. This will be your last vocabulary assignment of this type. So let's make it a good one, okay? All right, Vocabulary 30, day 1. Your instructions for assignment number 1. You will type the definition to each word. Let's get started. Word number 1 is the word integrate. Integrate. This word is in verb form, which means it's an action word. To integrate means to combine one thing to another in order to make a whole. In the visual here, you see lemonade. Well, to make lemonade, you have to integrate 3 different ingredients: lemon, water, and sugar. So once you mix or combine all 3 of those ingredients together, it makes a whole nother substance, which we call lemonade. Word number 2 is the word impersonate. Impersonate. This word is in verb form. To impersonate means to pretend to be another person. So if you look at the visual we have to the right, this person is an actress. And in the movies, she impersonates who we probably know as the Black Widow. Word number 3 is the word degenerate. Degenerate, that word is an adjective. It means to lose the physical, mental, or moral characteristics you once had. A very popular example of something that can be degenerate is us. The older we get, our appearance, our mental capabilities can be described as being degenerate because the older you get, you begin to lose certain qualities: hearing, seeing, smelling. Your hair begins to go. Your skin begins to wrinkle. So that's just something to help you remember what the word degenerate means. It means to lose those qualities that you once had. Word number 4 is the word pensive. This word is an adjective. It describes when someone is engaged in serious or deep thought. This picture shows a young lady who appears to be pensive. She's engaged in very serious thinking about something. Word number 5 is melancholic. This word is an adjective. It describes something, which it's describing someone showing or expressing a deep form of depression. So in the picture here, you see someone who can be described as being melancholic. Word number 6 is lucrative. This word is an adjective. It's describing something that produces a lot of money or profit. So here we have a really cute little salesman, and his job is very lucrative because it brings in a lot of money for his family. Word number 7 is the word cease. Cease. This word is a verb. It's an action word. So to cease means to bring something to an end. A lot of the times when you're looking at a movie or a show, you may see the curtains closing. That means that the show is ceasing. It's coming to an end, ceasing to exist. Word number 8 is the word surreal, which is an adjective. It describes something that is kind of bizarre or completely unreal. Kind of if you would see what you think or what would look like as a spaceship. This would be considered as surreal. Word number 9 is the word timid. Timid. This word is an adjective. If someone is timid, it's basically saying that you have a lack of confidence or courage. In the picture, you see a timid boy. He lacks the confidence, he lacks confidence. So he really doesn't want to come out and talk to anyone. So he's kind of hiding behind the wall here. Word number 10, which is our last word for this week, is rampant. It's an adjective. Rampant just describes something that's unpleasant or unwelcome. So here we have a rampant smell. So the little boy in the picture is holding his nose because he does not want to smell it. It does not smell good. All right, guys, this is your assignment number 1, your 10 vocabulary words for this week. Remember to read over and study the definitions of these words every single day. In a typical classroom, you would have to do that because you would have a test on these words on Friday. I want you to hopefully do the same thing when you take your test at home. I know logically you guys are going to type in the correct definition, but I want you to try and see if you can remember those definitions without actually looking at them, okay? Alrighty, now this is assignment number 1. Assignment number 2 is going to be your I Ready lesson, which is a main idea lesson. You have to kind of practice and get abreast on main idea for this week because on Wednesday, you will watch an instructional video for a brand new lesson, which is going to be lesson 24. In order to do that lesson well, you need to get or have a little bit of more practice in main idea because it's going to involve integrating, which is our very first vocabulary word. That lesson on Wednesday is going to involve integrating information from 2 or more sources. And when I say sources, I mean 2 or more texts. So you guys can look for that this week. Don't forget today is Monday, so we have some special things coming up this week. One being a field trip, which we will probably be doing on Wednesday. And the other being a class meeting today. Please look for our posts for your class meeting. It will more than likely be any time between 10 and 12 o'clock, but we will let you know. Just check the morning post. All right. You guys have a happy Monday. Talk to you guys online.